Easy tomato chutney recipe. It's a quick recipe. This chutney is very delicious when served along with Vada, Idli or Dosa. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 5 chopped garlics, 3 chopped green chillies. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1 chopped onion, 2 medium-sized chopped tomato. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder, 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Mix it for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After cooling, transfer it into a grinder jar. Add half cup of water and slightly grind it. Now for final mixture, in a pan take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and heat it. Add half teaspoon urad dal. Mix it well. Cook until it turns to light golden color. Then add 3 dry red chillies, also 1 sprig of curry leaves, and cook for 1 minute. Now add previously prepared grinded paste and mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our easy tomato chutney is ready. We can transfer it into a serving dish. Have it along with dosa or idli.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.